Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a Forex chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and as we all know that there is not much activity going on in the market. Market is flat, dull, slow, sluggish. So in precise, okay, we are taking rest right now. Okay, it's kind of an unofficial holiday for traders like us. Okay, because you can clearly see on a chart of DXY that it looks that DXY is in indecision mode right now. Okay, in case DXY starts going up, then yes, 107.70 108 will be the new resistance, and in case DXY shows a big fall, then 105 will be the next big support. I do not want to repeat the same stuff. If you're new to the channel, okay, and you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because overall the levels that we have been discussing, okay, are still the same, because as there is not much volatility in the market. Okay, and if you look at the forexfactory.com, then we can see that PPI coming up, Empire State Manufacturing Index coming up. Okay, so PPI may bring some volatility to the market. There can be some volatility for one or two candles. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And if we look at the Forex sentiment meter, okay, this is the Forex sentiment meter, and it's saying that 65% retail traders are on the sell side and 34% are on the buy side. And usually we see market always acting against the sentiment meter. So if the sentiment meter is saying that the retailers are on the sell side, then yes, there is a possibility that the market will move towards the upside. But to be honest, I do not follow the Forex sentiment meter much, because my trading style does not go along with the Forex sentiment meter. Okay. Actually, I forgot. I forget a lot. Okay, to use the Forex sentiment meter. Mostly, I prefer to take positions for day trading. Okay, and the sentiment meter mostly works for swing traders and positional traders. Okay, so that's why I do not rely much on the Forex sentiment meter. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. This is the euro dollar's chart right now, and the previous resistance level that we have discussed is still very much intact. Okay, you can clearly see that market is unable to break the previous resistance. So the resistance of 1.0360 to 1.0350 is still very much acting as an important zone for the market. And if you clearly see the chart, then you can see that more or less it looks like the market has also formed a small double top kind of a pattern as well. As I have already discussed on the chart of the video of gold, that the market is kind of overbought. Okay, if you look at the RSI here, okay, usually I do not talk much about RSI and all, okay, but RSI is saying that market is overbought. If you look at the daily chart of Euro USD, then also we can see that RSI looks overbought, so there can be some correction. Okay, so in case a correction comes up, do not be surprised. Tomorrow we have retail sales coming up, so during retail sales there is a possibility that DXY may start going up, and we may see some correction on the chart of Euro USD and gold. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Now let's discuss about the levels first. Okay, first of all, the resistance zone that we have already discussed, okay, 1.0350 to 1.0360 is still very much intact. As you can clearly see that right now there is not much volatility in the market, and as we all know, volatility plays a very important role in the market. So during the day, if market breaks also, listen to me carefully, if market breaks also this level here, then do not take any buy position immediately, because without proper volume there can be a false breakout as well. Because when there is not much volume in the market, okay, market usually gives us a false breakout. Okay, so do not get trapped. Wait for some time and see how the market is doing. If you see that there is a sudden fall in the market, okay, if you see there's a sudden fall on DXY, market means there's a sudden fall on DXY, and in case Euro USD shows a good big green candle, then you can go for a buy position. Okay, but if you see that DXY is silent, okay, there is not much activity on the chart of Euro USD, okay, then in case market goes up also, crosses this level also, do not take any buy position. That can be a trap. As a retail trader, you must understand that you need to protect your capital. First, capital protection should be your first priority. You don't need to trade often, you need to trade well. So if market breaks out without volume, just avoid. Let the market go. Let the market go, because see, eventually market will have to come down. If there is not much volume in the market, then obviously market will come down for a pullback or retracement. When market come down for pullback or retracement, then you can go for a buy position. It will be a much safer entry. And in case there is a sudden fall on DXY and Euro USD starts flying again, then you can easily go for a buy position. But without volume, taking a buy position can be very, very risky at a breakout. On the other hand, if market comes down, then observe the market around the previous price rejection here, 1.0270, 1.0260. Observe the market around this level. Keep in mind, this is not a support. Okay, this is just a trading opportunity for day traders. Positional traders, swing traders, try to avoid taking position here. As long as there is less volatility in the market, as long as market is like this, dull, flat and slow, okay, you can expect the market to bounce from here, because right now this level has the potential to bounce the market. But in case of a big red candle, obviously this level will fail, because this level does not have the the strength to hold the market. So if the market remains like this, and if you see market coming down to this level, observe the market around this level, okay, there is a possibility the market may bounce. Keep in mind, this is an opportunity for day traders only, not for swing traders and positional traders. And in case market breaks this level here, okay, okay, especially during the US session, okay, then you can consider taking a sell position. But I think that it is better to avoid taking any sell position on the chart of Euro USD right now, as long as we do not have any fundamental reason behind it. Okay, see, there are multiple opportunities on the market, so why you should be gambling your money on a chart, on a pair that you don't even understand properly? Because see, as a trader, you don't need to understand each and everything on the chart, okay, and it is not possible also. Okay, if market breaks this level and starts falling with a proper reason, then we can go for a sell position. But let's say we don't know the reason, and if we see a sudden fall in the market, okay, that can be a trap as well, isn't it? Okay, so please be careful and do not gamble with hard-earned money. Follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care.